In this video, we were looking at how can we separate the original data based on the categorical data. And the file I will use is called hotel ratings. And we use this data set to create the frequency distribution for categorical data before. However, in this practice, I add one more column called revenue. So you may not see it, so I just create it. So the idea is we want to get the mean median mode for the hotel who got the terrible rating, and for the mean median mode for the hotel who got a very good rating. So now if we look at the original data set, you can find the rating are mixed together. So we have 5 different levels. We have the terrible, poor, very good, average, and excellent, 5 levels. So how can we choose the data set? How can we choose a hotel which is rated as only rated as the poor or terrible from this data set? So in order to do that job, we need to sort our data based on the rating variable. So first, choose the whole spreadsheet. Now find the Home tab. On the right hand side of the Home tab, you should find Sort and Filter, and click it. And now we can find a customer sort. So click the customer sort. So now we can find, they ask us sort based on what? So based on the column. So if you click this little arrow, you can find the list that we can sort it based on rating, revenue, and column C. So obviously we will sort the data based on the rating variable. So because it's the categorical data, and we want to find the revenue, average revenue for the hotel who is rated as terrible. So click the rating. And based on the value, the order is from A to Z, and then click OK. So now you can see the original data set already changed based on the categorical data named as rating. So the first few data sets, the first 108 observation are for the hotel who got average rating, and from 109 A100 from the line A109, and all the information is about the hotel who got excellent rating. And we can keep going down, and we can find the revenue for the poor hotel, the hotel who rated as poor. So let's go back to think about the original question. So original question is trying to get a descriptive statistic for the hotel who got terrible rating. So first we need to find where is the group for the terrible. So now we found the terrible hotel starting from the information for the terrible hotel is from 350, the line 358. So we want to get the average revenue for the hotel who got terrible rate. So what we want to do is, it's a good idea to do it next to the close to the level of the terrible. So type in equal average. So this is one way to measure the central tendency. So choose the revenue. Too fast. And close the parentheses. So we will get $1,522.707 is the average revenue for the hotel who got the terrible rating. So now you can use other commands such as variance, standard deviation, and or median mode to get other descriptive statistics for the hotel who got the terrible rating. And I hope you can use this video to help you to finish the homework.